This entire video, every slide, every animation, was built by hand, in code. This startup is betting that one day, you won't have to. You'll just describe the cut you want, and an agent will build it for you. It's called Cardboard. And the interesting part isn't that an AI edits your video. It's exactly how it pulls that off. Here's the pitch, straight from their homepage. Edit videos in minutes, not hours. Cardboard runs entirely in your browser. No Premiere, no DaVinci Resolve, nothing to install. You dump in a pile of raw footage, give it a goal, a 60-second recap, a 20-second ad, and it hands back a first cut on the timeline. When the founders launched it on Hacker News, it became one of the most upvoted launches of their entire Y Combinator batch. The company is tiny. Founded in 2025, a team of 4 based in San Francisco. But look at who's building it. One founder shipped an app with over 5 million downloads when he was 14, then spent years building performance-heavy apps inside the browser at HackerRank. That matters, because their whole bet is that a real video editor can finally live inside a browser tab. You want the person making that bet to know browser's cold. So here's the verdict up front. Cardboard is not one magic model that watches your footage and spits out a finished video. It's a 4-stage pipeline. Understand the footage, compose the timeline, render it, then hand it back. Let's walk through each one. Stage 1. Understanding. When you upload your clips, Cardboard runs them through a series of cloud vision language models. These models actually watch the footage. They know which clip has a person talking, which one is a screen recording, where someone laughs, where the scene changes. So instead of scrubbing through hours of video by file name, you search by meaning. Find me the part where she laughs, and it just goes there. Stage 2 is where the agent earns its name. It composes an actual timeline. It detects the separate shots. It strips out the dead air, the ums, the ahs, the awkward silences. It can beat sync your cuts to music using percussion detection, and it adds captions that are spatially aware. They dodge the speaker's face instead of covering it. Every one of those is a real editing decision a human normally makes by hand. The agent proposes them all at once. Stage 3. The render. And this is the part that quietly impressed me the most. There's no big server farm rendering your video. It runs right inside your browser, on a custom engine built on web codecs and WebGL. They claim it turns about an hour of footage into a finished render in roughly 5 minutes on your own machine. Stage 4 is the one that earns trust. You are not locked in. Cardboard can export the whole timeline as an XML file you open in Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or Final Cut. If the AI got you most of the way, you finish it in the tool you already know. And that's the philosophy worth noticing. Cardboard doesn't replace you. It hands you a first draft you refine on the timeline. The AI director proposes the cut. You dispose. You stay in the loop, with every decision sitting right there on the timeline, visible and editable. So what's actually new here? Not the timeline, not the export. Editors have had those for decades. The unlock is that models can finally reason over raw footage well enough to make the first cut for you. Everything else is plumbing around that one capability. The catch: your footage goes up to the cloud to be understood, and it starts around $32 a month. For a solo creator, or a marketing team shipping video every week, that math is easy. Would you trust an agent to make the first cut of your video? Tell me in the comments, and tell me what you'd point at first.